Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is askew. It is pronounced a-skew and spelt A-S-K-E-W. Think ask and then ew as in E-W. Askew means not in a straight line or not aligned correctly. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something not in its correct position or alignment. For example, you could say, he noticed the picture on the wall was hanging askew, or she noticed the letters on the sign were askew and hard to read. The word askew comes from the Old English word on a seac, which means on a slope. It was originally used to describe something that is not in a straight line or not aligned correctly. Have you ever heard of the Leaning Tower of Pisa? In Pisa, Italy, an ancient tower still stands today. However, it is askew and standing on a visible angle. Google it today and see for yourself. Synonyms for askew include crooked, tilted, off-kilter, and lopsided. Antonyms for askew are straight, aligned, level, and true. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, askew. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.